So welcome back, viewers. So in this tutorial we want to learn how you can screenshot your PC screen without any software. Okay, many people don't know about this, but because you subscribe to this channel you must learn the tech tutorials in the industry now. So I'm going to help you, bring you every tech tutorial onto this channel because you subscribe for that. Okay, your subscription means a lot for me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do that so that you can also be getting all these tech tutorials on your fingertip. Just make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I upload them you can get notified. So we want to learn how we can screenshot our PC screen without any software, and it's free. Okay, so this is how we go about it. I'm going to show you three screenshot formats. Okay, so to screenshot your PC screen, let's open a page here. So let's open our Chrome browser here. So this is our Chrome browser and we want to screenshot an interface of this browser. Okay, so the necessary key that you have to input before you screenshot your screen is hold the Windows key down plus the shift key in addition to S key. Okay, so when you press this on your keyboard, this is the interface that will come. So the first interface here, which where my cursor is pointing, click on it, and then this one is going to let you screenshot a portion that you need for the screen. So I'll click here, then I'll bring my mouse here to draw a background of where the area in which I want to screenshot. So in this case I want to screenshot these four buttons here, so I'll just do like this, draw this, and I'll screenshot this, I'll screenshot this. So you have to come to the notification box here and click here to see your screenshot. So you click here and then this is the screenshot that we took, so you click on it to save it, so it will open. If you want to do any editing you can do that, draw anything on it, you can do everything that you want to do. If you don't need to do anything, just clean. Okay, if you don't want to do anything, just clean. Okay, that's all. Very simple. This ruler sign, I don't need it. So the next thing you have to do is to come to the save sign here, click on save, and then you enter the name that you want to put in for it. So let's say TK, then I save this photo. Okay, so that is that. So this has been saved to my photos. So the next screenshot that I'm going to show is to draw or a drawing, to screenshot that drawing. I don't think you get me right. So let's do that so that you see what I mean. So the next screenshot, I mean, you have to hold the Windows key down again plus the shift plus X, and then you leave it. This pop-up come again. So this one you pick the following button here, which is freeform spin. Okay, snip. Okay, so you click on it and then you bring your cursor. So let's draw something here like laugh. I don't know if my drawing is good. So I just screenshot that portion. So we'll go to the notification box here again, click on it. Then here is what I've screenshot with a drawing. I'll click on it, then I'll come back here and then I will save. Okay, so I'll just click on save, write something here, save. So let's look at the last screenshot that I want. So in this case, let me screenshot the background here. We go with the normal key again, Windows Shift and X, and then you come to the last one here, full screen snap. Okay, sorry, I don't know if I press it or let me do it again, Windows Shift S. Okay, then I click on this place to take the full screen screenshot. Good, it has been taken. So let's look at it. Here is it, very nice. So just click on it again and then you save. Okay, save any name for it. So if you have been waiting for the full screenshot, that is what I've just shown you. I saved that one too. Okay, so let's look at something here too. Let's hold the shift, the Windows shift and the S again, and let's go with the drawing one again. So we want to draw something like this to screenshot this area. Good. Okay, screenshot has been taken. Let's look at it. Look at how it looks like. Very nice. So this is how you take a screenshot of your computer screen. So if you want to know how you can record your computer screen with a premium software, comment below and make sure you subscribe before you comment, and then I'll do a video on it and I'll upload it under the video so that when you need it you just grab it to do your screen recording. It's what I used to do all my YouTube videos. So if you are thinking to start YouTube and you don't know how to record your screen, then comment below. Let me show you how you do it and how you use your phone as a mic. Okay, that is what I do. So I'll show you guys when you like it. Goodbye and stay tuned to my channel. We need more subscribers to build this channel. One family, one love. Goodbye.